Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. Do you read me loud and clear? Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. Loud and clear. Please switch to the channel 12 for further communication. Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. Switching to channel 12. Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. What is your ETA? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. My ETA is 0800 hour, local time, on the day of 30 October, year 2023. Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. What is your draft? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. My draft is 12.3 meters. Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. How many persons are on board? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. I have 3-4 persons on board. Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. What is your gross tonnage? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. My gross tonnage is 23,210 metric tons. Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. What is your cargo type? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. My cargo type is iron ore. Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. How much cargo is on board? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. 12,304 metric tons on board. Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. Do you have any dangerous cargo on board? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. Yes, we have 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 on board. Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. What is your final destination port? Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. My destination is Batangas Terminal Port. Over.
MV Precision. This is Batangas VTS. Acknowledge, standby for further instructions. Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MV Precision. Standing by for further instructions. Over.